look what I'm about to make. I have this Branzino, which is sea bass, and this is from the Philippines, or fruit from the Philippines, which is sour. It's called Kamias, and jalapenos there. And of course, with that is garlic, ginger, and some bok choy, baby bok choy. Yes, it's the Happsters about to make some kind of a dish. Who knows? Let's get cooking. Saute the garlic first. And ginger. Give it just a little bit roasted. Then I add my sour. Then I add my jalapeno. I like jalapeno. I'm just making the base. Add a little bit of vegetable broth. I will cover. I want the jalapeno to steam. So I add sea salt. So what's gonna happen is I will have to put my fish on top of this. And a little bit of black pepper. Coarse, I don't know, coarse pepper. Okay, now that it's steaming, I'll put my fish on top of that. As you can see, it's big. Should have got a bigger pan. But those yellow things you see there are lemon peel. Yeah, it keeps on the fish for being fishy taste. So I'll just kind of fold it in and leave it like that. So there's your fish. I'll give it about 5 minutes and check it again. So that's how I'm going to steam my fish. This time I'll put my veggies on the side. So 10 minutes later, it's done. guys. This is the Branzino sea bass, steamed with my sour Kamias, a fruit from the Philippines, and bok choy, and those yellow ones are lemon peel to take out the fishiness. But yeah, so let's eat.